I got the 6.0 to crank, but it won't start. This is a 2005 F350 with the 6.0 Power Stroke. If anybody has any ideas what it could be, that would be very helpful. 2 brand new batteries, and at the end of the video, I will put a video of it cranking. If you guys can help out, let me know what it could be. I know there's some sensors, some issues with all this stuff, but what would be the first thing I look at? Drop down in the comments. All help will be greatly appreciated.